Welcome to our channel. If you want to prevent package delivery issues and track packages effectively using Amazon Alexa, follow these simple steps to stay informed about your deliveries. Step 1. Set up package tracking on your Alexa app. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and sign in with your Amazon account. Step 2. Tap on the More tab at the bottom of the screen, then select Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Notifications to access alert settings for various Alexa features. Step 4. Enable Amazon shopping notifications to receive alerts about package deliveries, shipping updates, and delivery confirmations. Step 5. Link your Amazon shopping account to Alexa by going to Settings, then Account Settings, and ensuring your Amazon.com account is properly connected. Step 6. Ask Alexa about your packages by saying, "Alexa, where's my stuff?" or "Alexa, track my package" to get real-time delivery updates. Step 7. Set up delivery notifications by enabling delivery notifications in the Alexa app. You'll receive alerts when packages are out for delivery and when they arrive. Step 8. To prevent package theft, consider using Amazon Key or Amazon Hub Locker delivery options, which you can manage through your Amazon account on the website. Step 9. Enable two-factor authentication on your Amazon account for additional security and to prevent unauthorized orders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.